for today's video, we'll do something different. So, I've never tried baking, and today we'll try to bake a basic recipe of a loaf or a bread. So, ito, paubos na yung tinapay namin. Hindi na kami bumili. And the hope is good enough yung magiging outcome ng baking. So, meron kaming bread for the rest of the week. We're gonna be using basic ingredients: yeast, bread flour, ayan, and salt. So let's go baking. Good. Ayan. So, mga nagtatakal pa lang tayo ng harina, mga nakaka 10 minutes na ako. Sana bago mag alas 12 ng gabi, nakasalang na yung tinapay. Okay. Kasi nga exact science siya, hindi ako nag-follow ng recipe pag nagluluto. So, etong baking is really a challenge for me. Okay. So, itong recipe na to, first we'll get 2 cups of water. We're going to mix 2 cups of water. I think it's warm water, sabi ng asawa ko. And sabi rin sa packaging ng yeast. So that's already 2 cups of water. And then I'm gonna add 2 grams of dry yeast. Ito yung mga mabibili mo lang sa grocery, dry yeast. 2 grams. Each pack is 8 grams. So, 1/4 of this. Good. Hindi ko mapakita, pero kapag nakaluwag-luwag na kami, tapos nakabili na kami ng glass na mixing bowl, makikita nyo rin. Yeast. Na-dissolve na yung yeast. Naamoy ko na siya. Naamoy ko yung yeast. Okay. Pasensya na po. First time to bake. And then, now we're gonna put the bread flour. Oh, ito na siya. Kinakabahan ako. So, dami palang hugasin nito So, we're going to use a wooden spatula to mix it all together hanggang mag-form na siya, di ba? Kung ano mo yung tawag dun sa mixture na yon. Ang bango. Naku, magiging amoy bakery na tayo. Kausap ko nga pala yung asawa ko. Pakita ka. Ito ang anak ko. Director.
Wala ka nakikita ng bread.
Okay, so meron ako agad bubu. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, ba't ganun? Parang ang wet. Ang nakalagay pala sa instructions ay 1 cup water. 2 cups ang nailagay ko. So, back to square one. Take 2. Ulit tayo ngayon kasi kanina sumobra yung tubig. Kailangan pala 1 cup. So, not following directions agad. Ang aga-aga. Kaloka. Okay, so let's put 1 cup of warm water-ish. Warm-ish. So, pag nahalo ko na siya, I think it's... lalaki braso ko dito. I think it's dry enough. So, this is how it's looking. Ayan. Okay, 30 minutes naka-rest na siya. Now, what we'll do is, there's this technique na nakita ko sa YouTube. Nagagayahin ko lang. Ang sabi, lift and fold. So, at this point, what I will want to do is ito na naman ako, not following instructions, sabi, wet hands. So, I'm gonna wet my hands. Yan. And what I will want to do is lift, and fold. So, and then turn the bowl, lift, lift and fold. Yan. Lift and fold. Kung nakakailang lift and fold na po ako mga kaibigan. Lift and fold. At saka sabi pa slap. Lift, fold. Kating yung struggle ko. Slap. Paano ba slap? Ganyan. Slap. Lift. So now na smoother na siya. Hindi siya as smooth as I want it to be. Pero just to show you, ito na siya. We're going to rest this for another 30 minutes and I think at this point na siya dapat mag-rise. So we'll close it and let's see. So now next step is to put flour dito sa surface area kasi dito natin siya hihiwa-hiwain.
Surface area.
Ay, dito sa surface. Kung ano man tawag dito. Ano ka ba? Kinukorek ako ng aking floor director. Okay. Tama na ba to? Gaano karami kayang bigay ko lang ganyan? Kakamayin ko lang ganyan. Oh my God, this is so not me. Kilala ko ni Daryl. At alam niya na hindi ako nagkakamay. Move this guy over here. And then, actually, cut it. Yeah. So here, okay. So here, I'll cut it using, kay Daryl to, nangihiram lang ako ng gamit. Saan mo ito ginamit natin? Cinnamon. Ang ano pala nito, no? Parang very gooey. Parang so, pinanood ko ulit yung video. So, this one. So, yung mga longer pieces, dapat daw ay i-roll ko. Roll. And then, fold it. And then, ayan. Fold it. And then, para ma-close yung mga edge. So now I have 6 pieces. Iba-iba yung size. I think ito yung pinaka-perfect. Ito medyo next step is to let them rest for 30 minutes. So, wala akong cloth. Alam niyo na, beginner. So, I'll just put on a clean towel and we'll let them rest for 30 minutes. Uy. Mukha siyang bola-bola siopaw. Sa totoo lang, hindi yun po yung itsura ng gusto ko. Pero, first time, pagbigyan na. Yung next step actually is to put a little bit of flour sa ibabaw. It's yan, kakalat natin siyang ganyan. Kakalat mo ganyan. And then lastly, isa-score natin siya. Yung score is basically may something sharp like a blade or a knife na ikakat through the dough. And it will allow yung steam na ma-release. But dahil wala akong blade, I will improvise. So yung scoring is really just cutting. Yan. cutting. Tanggap ko naman na hindi ito magiging perfect, but you always start from somewhere. And now, ready na natin siya. Ilalagay na natin siya sa oven for 20 minutes. After 30 minutes, malapit ang mag-midnight. Eto na, ready na siya. Careful. It's hot. Ta-da! Oh my God. Okay, they're not perfect sizes and perfect shape, but, I mean, how it looks, I'm happy with my first try. I think na-achieve natin yung kulay, yung golden brown with some scorching. Although hindi lang siya medyo pahaba. Sabi ko kanina, di ba, parang loaf style. Mas mukha siyang siopaw. Mukha siyang siopaw. So we'll let it rest, and I think bago ako matulog, kailangan ko kumain ng tinapay para matikman.